Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, September 1, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing all right, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to kickstart my day. Got a ton of calls lined up.
I feel you. I've got a big meeting this morning.
Oh, meetings, always a blast. Hey, did you hear about that new trade deal in Europe?
Yeah, I read a bit about it. What's the latest?
They're making trade between countries easier. Could mean more business for us.
That's good news. Maybe we'll see cheaper goods for our clients.
Exactly. More sales for me, more coffee breaks too.
Always with the coffee. But yeah, it's great for the economy.
Totally. If Europe trades more, we might get some sweet deals.
I hope so. I wonder how it'll affect our supply chain.
Probably more work, but hey, more money in the pocket.
Let's hope it's smooth. We need less stress.
For sure. More trade could mean more clients for me.
And more projects for me. It's a win-win.
Yeah, let's keep an eye on it. Could be big.
Definitely. I'll check for updates later.
Cool. Hey, speaking of updates, did you hear about this new app for work?
No, which one? I'm always looking for better tools.
It's called Team Sync. It's for team chats and sharing files fast.
Oh, that sounds handy. Is it easy to use?
Super easy. I'm testing it with my sales crew.
Nice. I might try it for my project team.
You should. It cuts down on all those long emails.
I hate email chains. This could save time.
For sure. Less typing, more time for coffee.
You're funny. I'll download it today.
Good call. Let me know how it goes.
Will do. Does it work on all computers?
Yeah, phones too. It's pretty cool.
Perfect. We need something simple like that.
Totally. It's gonna make my day easier.
Same here. Less tech trouble is always good.
No tech stress, just success. That's my motto.
I like that motto. Let's hope it works.
It will. Hey, did you hear about that new movie coming out?
No, what movie? I'm so behind on news.
It's called Office Chaos, a comedy about crazy office life.
Oh, that sounds fun. Is it like our office?
I bet it is. Weird bosses and funny meetings.
I can relate already. When's it coming out?
In a few weeks, I think. Want to watch it together?
Sure, why not? We need a good laugh.
Deal. Work's been too serious lately.
So true. It's non-stop these days.
Tell me about it. I'm glued to my phone all day.
And I'm stuck in meetings. So tiring.
Yeah, but coffee saves the day. Want another cup?
No, thanks. I'm good for now.
All right. Hey, going back to that trade deal, do you think it'll help small companies?
I really hope so. Small businesses need a boost.
Yeah. Big companies always get the perks. We need a fair shot.
Exactly. More trade should mean more chances for everyone.
Fingers crossed. It could bring new clients my way.
And new partners for my projects. Let's see.
For sure. I'll talk to some contacts about it.
Good idea. I'll check with my team too.
Cool. If it works out, we might get busier.
Busy is good if it pays off. I'm ready for it.
Me too. More work, more coffee.
You and your coffee, it's always the answer.
Always. Hey, about that app, Team Sync, did I mention it's free?
Really? That's even better.
Yeah, free for small teams. Perfect for us.
Awesome. I'll tell my team to try it.
Do it. It's gonna save us so much hassle.
I hope so. Less stress with tech is a win.
Totally. No more lost files or missed chats.
That's a relief. I lose track sometimes.
Same here. This app is a game changer.
I'll set it up soon. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Let me know if you need help.
Thanks. I might need a quick guide.
I got you. It's super simple to start.
Great. I'm excited to try it out.
You'll like it. Hey, back to that movie, Office Chaos. I saw a trailer online.
Oh, was it funny? Tell me more.
Yeah, super funny. They spill coffee all over the place.
That's like us on busy days.
Totally, coffee spills are my talent.
I've noticed you're a pro at that.
Thanks. I try my best.
It's funny. I can't wait to see the movie.
Me neither. It's gonna be a good break.
Yeah, we need that. Work gets too heavy.
For sure. A good laugh will help.
Definitely. Maybe we can plan a group outing.
Great idea. Let's get some others to join.
I'll ask around. Could be fun.
Cool. The more the merrier.
True, it'll be a nice change.
Hey, speaking of change, do you think that trade deal will happen fast?
Hard to say. These things take time.
Yeah, but I hope it's soon. I've got clients waiting.
I get it. We need quick results too.
Exactly. The sooner the better for sales.
And for planning projects. Let's hope.
Yeah, I'll keep checking the news.
Me too. It's important to stay updated.
For sure, knowledge is power, right?
Right, especially in our jobs.
Hey, about Team Sync, do you think it'll work for big teams?
Maybe. I'll test it with a small group first.
Smart move. Start small, see how it goes.
Yeah, I don't want tech problems.
Me neither, but so far it's been smooth.
Good to hear. I'll give it a shot.
Cool. Tell me if it helps your work.
I will. Thanks for the heads up.
Anytime. Hey, for that movie, should we watch it after work?
Sounds good. Maybe on a quiet day.
Perfect. I'll check the showtime soon.
Okay? Let me know when you find out.
Will do. It's gonna be hilarious.
I hope so. We need some fun.
Totally. Work hard, laugh hard.
That's a good balance. I like it.
Hey, I gotta run. Got a client call now.
Oh, me too. I have a project update.
Busy as always. See you later, Alex.
See you, David. Have a good day.
You too? Catch up at lunch, maybe?
Sounds good. Take care.
Later. Keep rocking those projects.
Thanks. Good luck with your sales.
Time to get to work? Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.